Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, Honorable Acting Prime Minister and Minister for Finance, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, Members of Media, Members of public in the public gallery, and all Fijians who are watching this budget forum in the comfort of their homes. Bulasia. I would like to begin by thanking the Honorable Minister for Finance for his hard work in producing this budget. Indeed, it's a balanced budget and reflects the government's commitment and continued service to our people. The objective of the 2016 budget is a strong Fiji, a fair Fiji, a healthy Fiji. Madam Speaker, the Fiji First Government believes in our 2016 budget objective, and we are committed to deliver the expected outcome. Madam Speaker, one of the strategies that I will be referring to is the allocation of $2 million to the digital literacy, which was also alluded by the Minister for Education, program in the 2016 budget, and a significant increase in the location of our library program. In this new age, digital literacy is necessary for our people, and it is sensible and progressive move on the government's part to push for its use of educational tools. The manner in which the children learn and in which people access information has changed dramatically since the blackboard was invented in 1700s. Innovative technologies today are creating new forms of adaptive and peer learning, increasing access to trainers and mentors, and providing useful feedbacks and data in real time. With technology, a whole world of information is but a few keystrokes away. The current generation of 12 to 18 years, pupils are comfortable with technology and eager to use it. There is also considerable potential benefits in using new technology techniques to improve progress and continuity for secondary education to higher education. Madam Speaker, the initiatives by the Fiji First Government to embrace and integrate ICT into the education system is a way forward in building a better and knowledge-based society, which is also articulated in the People's Charter for Change and Progress. Madam Speaker, as I said earlier, learning has come a long way since the era of the blackboard. If we are to realistically compete in this ever-changing world, we must move with the times. And most importantly, we must give our youth, our children, the tools and skills to carve out their place in this world. Some may say we cannot afford to implement such an ambiguous program, but the reality is that what we cannot afford to do is to let our children lag so far behind the tides of progress and development. This location is, in fact, this budget as a whole is an investment in our children and investment in our future of our nation. Madam Speaker, I emphasize the fact that this budget is a people's budget. It is a roadmap to progress, and we must not let ourselves be led astray. We must stick to this budget and allow no frivolous alterations to the document that has potential to push our nation forward. Yes, Madam Speaker, I truly believe this budget is our country's best hope for progress, and I hope that I fully and heartily support that. Before I conclude with the thoughts, I close with a thought from Thomas Jefferson, who said once, I quote, "The care of human life and happiness is the only legitimate object of good government," unquote. This government prioritizes the well-being and happiness of its citizens and seek to enable social progress through good and fair public policy. With these words, Madam, I commend this budget to the House. Thank you very much.